So we're working on this hanging heater. It's a Reznor. It's not lighting. I'm getting spark, but I'm not getting any ignition. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Yeah, we definitely got spark. Yeah, it's sparking. I think I heard the gas valve open. Not sure. Gotta make sure the gas is turned on. But the other one works fine. There's two of them. The other one's fine. So gas valve looks like it's on. This guy's on. Yeah, so let's check it out. So here we go. Okay, so we got the wires to the gas valve with the meter. Gonna make sure we're getting voltage to it. Make sure it's the case. Crank this on. Okay, so it doesn't look like I'm getting voltage. Gonna check the pilot valve too. So this is for the main valve, and then we'll check the pilot valve. Okay, so our pilot valve is receiving 27 volts, but for some reason it's not lighting, so we want to check, make sure we're getting gas. So it's probably, maybe this gas valve's messed up. Make sure there's no kinks. Yeah, no. Alright, so yeah, so for some reason the pilot valve is not lighting. Or I'm sorry, the pilot's not lighting, so then the main gas won't light because it doesn't detect flame. So let's see what's going on here. Alright, so we got our manometers hooked up. And we want to see if we are getting pressure on the inlet, which we are, 7.33. So we want to see if we're going to be getting anything coming out of the main valve, and then we will check the pilot valve. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Yeah, main valve is definitely not opening. So we need to check the pilot valve. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and unscrew that. Okay, so we have our spark disconnected. That way we don't get any ignition. So we're gonna turn. Okay, so we are getting pilot valve. So we're getting gas coming out of our pilot valve. So, all right, so now we need to take a look at this and see why it's not lighting. Okay, so I pulled out the igniter assembly. So it was a little dirty, so I cleaned it and I blew it out. So we're gonna pop it back in there and see if it lights now. But we know that the gas valve's working fine. We know it's igniting because there is some spark. So let's see what's going on here. All right, let's give it a shot. All right, so it looks like it was just a dirty ignition assembly. Huh, all right, well, works. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment, tell me what a horrible technician I am, hit that bell notification, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching.